Hey, you are welcome to my new tutorial. Today I'll show you how you can easily create a Shopify partner account for your Shopify store. Actually, Shopify partner account is a very development tool that you can easily develop your store without any Shopify account created. So here I will show you how you can easily create the Shopify partner tool. Okay, at first you will have to search on the Google Shopify partner. I have a Shopify partner account already created, and so I just will log in now, and for you guys you will have to join now, but I will log in now. Here is my Shopify dashboard. Actually I have logged in my Shopify partner, so this is kind of look like a Shopify partner dashboard. It's kind of just like the Shopify main dashboard, So here, what is the benefit of the Shopify partner? The main benefit of the Shopify partner is that you can develop, you can edit any theme, you can use any kind of apps here. So this is the best platform for the freelancer. So if you're a freelancer, so this is the best way to go. And if you're a freelancer, then you can edit any theme, you can create any shop, and you can test any kind of app that Shopify offer. And the main thing of the Shopify partner account, that here you can enjoy the features of the Shopify. Okay, let's see. This is the dashboard, and this is the stores, referrals, affiliate tools, apps, themes. So our main topic is the store. Okay, here you can see I have already a lot of store created. Now I will show you how you can add a store. So at first you will click here, add store. Then you will find two options here, development store and manage store, but you will have to click on the development store. So the main difference between the development store and the manage store is here, in the development store you can test apps or themes you create, or set up a demo store for the client, and you can then transfer your ownership of your demo store. And on the managed store is like you will create a store, then it will be managed by a lot of people, like 500, like 100 people. It will be like a group of work. So for now we will create a development store. For the development store you will have to give a next name. So I am creating the name like BT721, no problem. You can give your own. This is my email. Okay, I'm giving my password here. Okay, create a store with transfer disable to user developer preview. So it is a new feature of the Shopify partner account, but we will not click on that, because for this if you click on this we cannot transfer our Shopify partner store. The main feature of this, you can easily you can easily feel the unreleased feature and the updates of the Shopify admin. Okay, you'll have to fill up your address. Then this is this thing. What will you do with this development store? You can do anything. For now I'm just clicking on the build a new store for my client. Okay, store is generating for me. You have to wait a little bit. It's taking some time. Okay, boom, this is our store, and you can see this is the Shopify store dashboard, Shopify partner store dashboard, and this is the same dashboard of any Shopify store. So here is the benefit: you don't need to pay anything, you don't need to pay any dollar to create this or use this. This is the best for the freelancer. Okay, here you can see everything you will find on the online store. I'm clicking on the online store. Now I will add a theme here. Okay, there is no theme installed currently here, and I will install the default theme. The default will be a theme is currently being installed. Okay, Dawn is installed, so you can see the Dawn theme is installed. And if you click on this button, and we'll see the preview of this dawn theme, how it is looking. Okay, this is our Shopify store. You can see this is the same store of, if we log in on the main Shopify dashboard, this is the same store. And then we will customize, we can customize the theme from here. Okay, this is the dashboard of the theme. So this is for now our Shopify tutorial, partner tutorial. If you want more for the Shopify partner tutorial, then do subscribe and let me know in the comment section. Thank you.